Going on? What's going on? Out in the snow, trying to catch some fish. Ran across this here big mouth, large mouth bass. The second one I done caught. Seems like that's the only thing biting out here today. But I don't want them. I have to wait on the crappies to bite. All right, yep. I'm out here crapping for life, trying to get these crappies, not bass. All right, see what I do. Just a little bit after the snow then fell, real cold. We're gonna see what we do. All right, I'll check you later.